Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some photo shoots, some product shoots, and some Instagram content shoots. And I'm just going to give you a quick behind the scene. I'm not going to do the entire how I take pictures for Instagram, but that's another video I hope to do in the future. But let's do this photo shoot instantly. Excuse me, I've had breakfast already. So let's dive into the shoot, and then I think we're going to head out to grab some food, do a little bit of grocery shopping later on as well. So stick around. How's my skin doing this morning? Not bad. So I want to take some quick pictures, and then I have my coffee in here, and I just want to show you a very quick setup that I use to take pictures. I'm trying to get a quick on a very lovely flat lay, and I just thought the sun is coming out here. It's really beautiful, so I'm just going to use this. I wish I had some white sheets that would really make the colors of the flower in this pop, but let's see what I get to do with this. Okay. So this is the food that I got from the place. God, guys, the aroma is insane, and I like to think that food from the place is like tastier than Chicken Republic. I mean, Chicken Republic will be serving us basics, but this one they got variables. I mean, varieties and all that. And I'm hungry. I'm gonna just devour this, but let me have a taste. Yeah, tell y'all what I think. But this is the rice I always order all the time. Guys. My order was mixed up. This is palm oil rice and not village rice. You guys, village rice is the shit. This girl gave me palm oil rice. Hey guys, so I'm done eating, and now I feel very sleepy. I feel like I need to take a nap. I mean, a very good nap. We'll talk later in this vlog, okay? Guys, Lagos run real in your life. Well, not my life. Apparently, not my life. If you're fine with that money.
Okay. So, what is attracting you to me right now?
Are you attracted to me? welcome to another day. I think I've not checked in with you guys on this vlog for days, but today I intend to wash my hair. Right, I'm going to wash my hair because I just have to. I mean, I've skipped this wash day for way too long, so I'm going to wash my hair, deep condition. I might show a clip, I might not. Fun. The lighting in the bathroom is not the very best, so you might not see clips of me washing my hair, but either ways we're doing that, okay? But I'll put someplace. I'll try. I'm not promising, but I'll try. Hey guys, so I've done my hot oil pre-poo, and then I'm going to go into the steamer right now. If you don't know what a hot oil pre-poo is, you have to check my other vlog, because I'm going to link it up here or here somewhere. I think here or here, you see it. So hair is all shiny, but let's steam for 20 minutes and then we wash it off, okay? Guys, so I washed my hair and I'm looking crazy right now. I'm going to start stretching this hair, but you guys, I don't want to use blow dryer. I'm too exhausted. Like, I'm tired already. Alright, there's AC in this room, but I'm not feeling it. That's how hot outside is. And blow dryer with this heat, I ain't gonna do that. So I was gonna lose my mind. Like, what? I know I bought a leave-in, so I'm using this Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. Okay, leave-in strengthener. That's what it's called. It smells really nice. Has a beautiful pink color. And then I'm going to use this TCB Naturals hair food. This is their hair butter with lanolin, vitamin E and protein. Yeah, so I'm going to use this. And then that's all. I'm not going to apply oil to my hair because I feel like oils just make my scalp dry. I don't know, but I want to stop. I want to try out something. I'm not going to use oils in my hair. I'm just going to use this. I won't even use oils in my scalp, because the last time I combined these two together, my hair was so moisturized, even up till this morning when I took everything down. I'm not even kidding you guys. It stayed shiny and moisturized. So I'm going to pair them again together, but this time with no oils, because my scalp be itching and flaky. Okay? Let me share one quick wash day tip with you. When you apply rinse out conditioner to your hair, that's after your shampoo process, twist your hair or braid your hair or something. Don't just, and then rinse it in the braids. Your hair is going to stay stretched out like this. I'm not kidding. That's the tip. You're welcome. 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to check when I started and when I finished. Hey guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I want to say thank you for watching up to this point, and if you're new, please subscribe. I think it's sunset right now, so yeah. My skin is just amazing. My roomie was telling my skin is glowing, like okay, so I put this head wrap on because I was trying to sleep, you guys. I just woke up. I need to finish up this vlog, edit it and post it today. Yeah, today. All right, see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. You guys always like my videos. Leave a comment, okay? I mean it's free to do all those things. All right, okay, but see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.